In this video, you will learn how to create the custom filters like standard filters and advanced filters. vTiger CRM provides an effective search tool that can rapidly filter the records in a module. You can create the filters in almost all modules. Let us consider leads module. Click Create Filter link in the list view of a module. Provide a name to your filter. Here select the columns to be displayed in the list view when filter is selected. Let us consider standard filters and refine search depending upon record modified time or created time. Here I am selecting created date as today. The date will be automatically populated here. On save, you will be able to see standard filters in action. At this level, you can see the list of record in selected columns. Advanced filters refine the search depending upon leads information. Let us consider the same leads module. Create a new advanced filter by name advanced filter. Click on advanced filter. This block contains 3 columns. Select desired field name from pick list in the first column. Select desired relation from pick list in second column. Enter one or multiple items in third column manually. Please remember to enter the items in third column should be separated with commas if you have multiple values. You can give your own condition in this section. You can add new condition. You can also add new group of conditions as well. Click on this icon to delete the condition. Here I am giving only one condition, that is industry is equal to insurance. On save, list view of item will be filtered based upon search criteria and advanced filters. List in matrix. This option, if enabled, the count and details of the filter will be shown in the key matrix widget on the home page. Set as a default. If this option is enabled, the name of the filter will be shown as a default filter in the drop down. Set as public. If this option is enabled, every user of the CRM, irrespective of the role or position, can view it. When the user marks a custom filter as public, it should be first approved from admin. It remains in pending state until the admin approves it.